Ayan mga kababayan, so, another destination kami. Nandito kami sa museum. Ay, ikutin namin itong museum saka yung factory. May factory kasi. Siyempre kasama namin yung team. Ayan, meron kami yung price tag. Tuming tag. Kasi upo kami. So, tara, chu. Anyong sayo. Anyong sayo. Anyong sayo. Anyong lupa. Saan na yun? Anong? First communion. Grade 3. Grade. Saan yung baccalaureate? Baccalaureate mas. Wala. Ayan, pasok na kami sa loob at hindi sa labas.
Inside here is our Mr. Yoko Factory House in Chinatown. So the video here is Mr. Yoko ago.
100 years ago.
And here is our Maurice Lango collection, and they are all items from the other country. So as I mentioned before, filter is an alloy composite contains three elements, which is tin, copper, and also antimony. Used under two sister companies, which is Selwyn and make jewelry, gold, and also platinum accessory, and composite to make customized to item. Color inside because there's a display. It was widely used in about 400 years ago for currency.
Tin currency.
But so the animal money can come in various type of animal shape, which is not only the crocodile. So during that time, this animal money was too heavy to carry, so that people start using the new currency, which is the money tree here. So when they're using the coin, they will just broke off on the bunches. So the living out bunches will be collected and recycled.
Oh my God, you have to carry that to pay?
Yeah, so the animal money was too heavy, so the people start using the new currency, the money tree here.
Oh my.
Yung beer ng money.
So for my back, you can see there's a more traditional way that I'm having tino.
Yung araw ito yung pira nila. Tapos mabigat dalhin. Ito na.
Tino from the river, and then they will start flowing it, so the water will draw, and the tino will be remaining at the bottom. So after this, they will collect the tino, put it in the tino bag, send to the factory to produce this actual size of this tin ingot, and it was about 45 kilograms.
Wow.
Kung merong gold, merong tin din. Na ano.
Right, so from here you guys can see this collection for Royal Sangong. They are all pewter items from the other country. Like this is for the wedding gift.
It's a wedding gift, that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gold na lang, no?
That is the thing legit. Which is the actual so for one back, let me introduce you our four pump. So at the top left, I have four square pump and four arrangable inside, which is JPIS Pure Tin. So JPIS stands for the first name of our foundation house, and Pure Tin stands for the tin condiment in future, which is the guarantee of the quality. So that this four logo is represent the four computer company that operate by our founder, four sons. So that after World War II, then all these computers survived the business. So that this is the logo design, the changing over here until 1992, Selangor Computer changing to Royal Selangor officially. So over the wall here is the painting of our founder, Mr. Yong Kun, and he was created by a famous painter in the earliest, which is named Mr. Yong Man-sen. So during that time, there's an interesting fact is when Mr. Yong Kun posed to the artist, he was only wearing a white cotton vest. So that the suit is being ate or like after the painting is finished. So that from this mold, he can make a masterpiece that is shown here, which is the melon teapot, made by his hands. And also you can see the touch mark of the JP's built in through the reflection of the mirror, and it will stand at the bottom. So you can come closer and see there's a touch mark at the bottom. Back to the World War II, when there's a small town in Kuala Lumpur that is named Thailand, and during that time their warehouse being bombed.
Wow.
So that the
So
villager
behind
over there
that.
was stronger in the warehouse to finding food.
Does it make you rich?
No,
This is
no.
a lucky
No. So that after this municipal saved his life and give it a name which is Lucky Teapot.
Hindi ka tumaras eh.
Ang bigat.
Ito yung tinunaw nila na
Pure silver.
Silver. Wow.
Yeah, it's very heavy because it's made out of pewter.
Pewter means silver.
At 3,000 beautiful.
I am. Wow. Silver.
100.
So that after the rest of
Silver teapot.
this company, where had their treasure about the evaluation of their home, tools, methods, and so on. So that there's some display.
Ah, ito na yun, yung pewter. So 925 yung silver. Yan o. Silver.
1640.
Wow.
It's beautiful. Beautiful. Ah, pala si Peter.
Yeah, pewter. Iba yun, iba yun. Ito pewter. Which means silver. Yan. Silver pala yung ano talaga nila dito sa ano mga kababayan sa Malaysia, silver. Yan. Ang ginagawa nilang mga tipat, mga ganyan, plate.
Yes, they're very hot. 250 degrees Celsius.
That's sweet.
Yeah, because there's a whole effect inside. You solidify very quick. Right, so after this, our company also send the handler and also fill cup to assembly station covering together. So in front of you is a different design of the handler made by different mold over there.
You're gonna burn yourself? Did you ever burn yourself?
Ito yung handle. Yung handle ng ano. Wow. Sa handle.
This is ender, back ender,
Yung mga design. Tapos, money tree.
this one.
Gold plate.
No silver, Peter.
Silver.
It's not silver, it's
Ano?
pewter.
Pewter.
Pewter, ito pewter.
No silver. Yeah, pewter is a catch of similar to is casting the sun just produce every detail in the mold. It also makes for a stronger, more robust article. So hindi pala silver. Can I touch? Can I touch it? Hindi pala sila silver, pewter. Para siyang pingga. Ayan, pero matigas. Solid. Ayan o. Solid siya. Oh, ito yung handle. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. So dito naman ginagawa yung kanyang ano yung kanyang pat. Kaya silang gawin. Mr. Sinjo. Ito yung mga
Yung ginagawang ganito?
oh, yung yung ginagamit natin kanina, yung ganito.
Okay, that's how you make, when you make designs, put it there. You want to make designs. The design.
Cutting and shaving. No, this one is the side. This is emery.
Pero
Iba naman itong hammering talaga.
dito naman is yung
The ingredient can stay with fresh.
It's fresh.
And even though this bit can make a double protection.
Oh, yun ang bottled water natin mamaya.
Right? So that next we're moving to our hammering station.
it's money tree.
Diba sabi nila lucky to?
Yes. Can I have one?
Ano yun po yun? Is this free? We can take it home? shop the set.
Joking, joking, joking.
I know. Never mind. Joke.
Wow. Pinapolish. Okay, this is money tree. Money tree. Yung araw.
Your art is facing
Yeah.
Philippine. I can see the face.
Yeah. Yeah, Philippine. We came from Philippines. Thank you. Thank you.
So that's all for our demo area. Next, we'll visit our factory.
Dito ginagawa yung ano. Yan. Dinidikdik ng yung design. Ayun. Yan. Para maging ganito. Ang galing niya. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ito yung mga machinery nila. Halos puro babae yung nagtatrabaho dito. Ta, yung mga trabaho nila, no, mga
Pa tayo doon.
halos babae lahat, no?
Alin?
Yung doon, di ba?
Ay, oo.
Workers, ayan o. Ayan o.
Puro babae.
Siya,
Magandang bahay. Ang mamahal lang ganyan lang.
na display, no?
Oh, ito mga ito.
Ganda. Yan. Wow. Kasi maganda gold display. Battle, oh.
Oh, mamahal yan pagkabili.
Ito na yung showroom.
Showroom. And the opposite side is the cafe and two sister coffee shop hub. So once again, thank you very much for visiting.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Yan, ito na yung showroom. Yung mga obra nila.
Sigaw kayo makita ni Maro doon. Sigaw kayo. Ang mahal ito. Yan cover
Wow, ganda. Ballpen.
Ay, hindi.
Ballpen. Ito na yung mga finished products nila.
Ito.
Pwede siyang gawing ballpen.
Yan, oh.
This one.
This one.
Ano?
Ganda. Oh?
Fruit tray. This one is for
Only you touch this. Okay.
Ah. Eh.
isa lang. Cards they're selling it for 500 something ringgit.
Wow.
Ito na yung mga,
Ganda.
so if you wanna buy,
Ang ganda nang gumawa ng mga ano. Ito.
mga gold plated na. Ito na yung mga finished products nila. Pwede nyo yung matidays.
Sa dragon.
Powder.
Yung
Can you ship
coffee.
to America? This is cute. Okay. Oh, yung cute. Ano?
40.
Cute.
Wow.
Super cute. Very sweet.
Fix na fix ba? Oh? Fix na fix yung ganyang ano ba? Yan, no? Hmm? Wow. Daming mga pot. Yan, oh. 390. How much in Philippine peso? Yun. Times.
This one same chickadee, travel kitty.
Trap. Wow, let's see. Dami mga ano dito. Ayan pa, oh. Tapos dito yung parang gold shop, horse, rock, tower, tapos horse, bishop, king, tapos queen, bishop, tapos horse again, and tower or dragon. Dragon horse. Tapos ito yung mga poon. Ayan. Yung sa white. Ayan. So, tower. Yung palace. Tapos, ito parang para siyang magician or rock. Or anong tawag dyan. Tapos ito yung magician. Tapos yung king, queen. Ayan. Tapos yung mga poon niya. Ang galing. Tapos na yung pagtutour namin. Grabe yung mga obra nila dito. Ang gaganda. Para kang nasa ibang bansa. Sa ibang bansa naman talaga. Ayan, meron pa silang ano. Ganda dito. Para kang nasa ibang bansa. No? Parang nasa ibang bansa mo. Ganda? Ibang bansa naman talaga to. Picture. Sa akin.
Di ba nakatapos sa third, iba naman ang pinapili doon. Isa mga lalaki, puros mo, puros mo. Ilan mo yung wala?
Mga kababayan, nandito kami sa Petronas Tower. And we'll take a picture here. So ito yung sikat na Petronas Tower, mga kababayan. Picture? Yan mga kababayan. Yung Petronas Tower. Sikat dito. So, grabe. Yung ganda. Grabe ang ganda ng Petronas.
Mas maganda nga ata doon.
Bao ay hindi pala tayo makapasok doon. Uy.
Ganito po niya. Dali ah. Oh, ganito po. Try muna kuya.
Wow.
Lang. Ako naman.
Grabe. Ang ganda.
Picture dyan.
Picture, marami na pa picture dito sa Petronas Tower.
Where's the power?
Wow, ganda naman talaga. Grabe ang init. So ayan mga brothers and sisters, yung lakad namin ngayong araw. Tapuntahan namin yung museum at saka yung Petronas Tower na napakasikat dito sa Malaysia. At ngayon ay Tom Jones na. Gutom na po kami. Kailangan namin kakain. So ayun mga kababayan, tapos na kami kumain at tumiritso kami dito sa Chocolate Factory. So meron pa silang tanim na kakao dito. Ayan. Pero madami ito sa Pilipinas, lalo sa Davao. Ito yung tsokolate ginagawang ito yung kakao ginagawang tsokolate. Meron binalot pa. Screen yung pambalot. So tara, pasok tayo dito sa kanilang Chocolate Factory. Dito sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So let's go. Ito yung kakao.
Pa, tatanggalin mo yan.
Oo.
Bibiyakin mo. O, yun naman. May mga seeds yun.
Ayan. Ito yung Chocolate Factory dito. Roller machine. Yung mga lumang dito nilagay yung milk powder, saka cocoa butter, cocoa mass, saka sugar. So dyan pinaghalo lahat para magiging tsokolate. Ayan. Chocolate Factory.
Ang kata mo? Tiramisu almond white
Chocolate. Ayan, almond white chocolate. Manapin. Sarap. Pagkatapos namin doon sa Chocolate Factory, andito na naman kami sa KL Tower, sa Kuala Lumpur Tower mga kababayan. Grabe, ang taas. Yan. Taas ng tower po. So picture lang kami dito, tapos punta na Pagkatapos dito ay punta kami sa Chinatown dito sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So share natin kung gaano kahaba yung tower dito sa Kuala Lumpur. Yan, picture lang. Grabe si Willie Chu, yung kaibigan namin. Yan, grabe makapost. Grabe ang taas po ng mga kababayan ng tower. Yan, no? Grabe. May mga tataasan ng building dyan, no? Ganda. Successful na naman ngayon. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay, let's go.
So, tapos na kami doon sa tower at dito na naman kami sa pupunta sa Chinatown. And let's go. Buko. Yan, ito na yung Chinatown. Dito sa Chinatown. Oh. Chinatown. Ito yung Chinatown. Ang ganda. Daming mga pwedeng mabibili dito. Ayun, may mga sapatos. Nike. Tapos mga pasalubong. Ano yung pasalubong? Mga Kuala Lumpur, yung Twin Tower.
25.
Michael Kors.
Konsan. Mura pero ito yung mga cake.
Sabi, ang daming pagpipilian dito mga kababayan. Ang daming bumibili dito sa Chinatown. So meron na tayo nabili. Pampasalubong. So hindi muna natin papakita. Ang surprise. Ayan, kasama natin si Munji TV. Ayan, please support this channel. Ano bili mo?
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Bukas ka na bibili. Mabalik ka naman daw dito bukas.
Hindi ko lang kung chocolate or ano bibili.
Ayan, chocolate.
Chocolate pa. Sa duty free na ako.
Grabe po mga daming bili. Daming pagpipilian. Punta na kami ng malakas na ulan. Hindi kami makatawid. Ulan na dito. Daming pira ni ang pambili ng SIM. Magkano?
Alin?
SIM.
100.
100?
Magkano yung SIM?
23.
Saan yung pera mo?
Ubus na.
Ubus na?
Yes.
20.
23.
Bumili ko na pumitin kasi walang pumitin.
Hingi tayo ng pira kay Madam. Kasi madami pira si Madam.
Pabrik sukling ha.
Thank you. Happy birthday. Bili tayo ng SIM para may SIM tayo. Kaya lang ilan. Kaya tayong pera. 30 ringgit. So, equivalent nito is 12 pesos ang 1 ringgit. So, ito sa mga 36. Tama ba? 300. 300 ano? 360. Ayan mga kababayan, nakauwi na kami dito. Galing kami sa doon sa Twin Tower at nagpunta din kami sa museum at sa tawag nito, yung factory ng tsokolate mga kababayan. So yun yung mga kaganapan namin ngayong araw. Ngayon ay magpapahinga na kami mga kababayan. Grabe, sobrang nakaka-amaze yung kanilang lugar mga kababayan. And I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa mga lugar na sinishare natin para kayong kasama namin sa aming mga paglalakbay o pagbabakasyon dito sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at kay Tita PB Love, kay Sir Pur, maraming salamat at sa lahat ng team. Please support sa lahat ng team mga kababayan. So sinulit namin ang pagkakataon sa aming bakasyon kasi alam natin sa mga susunod na araw at buwan ay mabalik mission na naman po kami ulit. Kaya thank you so much sa inyong pagmamahal at walang sawang suporta sa lahat ng buong Biyahero team sa pangungunan Sir Paul. At huwag din rin kalimutan mga kababayan na i-subscribe at i-share ang ating mga in-upload na video. Subscribe nyo po ang ating munting channel, ang PB Team Peter Paul, at pakipollow na rin po sa ating Facebook page, ang PB Team Peter Paul. Ayan, thank you so much mga kababayan. Suportahan nyo po palagi ang lahat ng Pugong Biyahero Team. We love you all. God bless. Bye-bye.